how to use GROK Imagine for free. All right, now you can see right here it says GROK Imagine. All right, right here. Then you can see text to image, image to video. So our interest right here is image to video. So I wanted to do this so you get to see you can use this platform to generate your AI videos, AI movies. Now I'm inputting my image that I've already generated. Right here it is uploading, so I have to wait for it to finish uploading. Now this particular platforms allows you to generate AI video using GROK. Right now here is the space for prompts. So I'll just head back to ChatGPT. That particular image has a prompt with dialogue. Right, I'll copy it. Okay, and when it comes to dialogue, it is very good, your dialogue each generation should be short. So I have pasted my prompt. Right, I'll just go through it, make sure everything is in order. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on generate. Okay, you can do text to video if you choose to. Now you can see it is just 4 units. All right, and it is generating. You click on generate, it starts generating. All right, so it is generating my video already. Very easy. Now you give it some time to generate. Once it's done generating, you just go ahead and click on download. You download your video. I decide to do the generation. I will be showing you the platform. Now this is the video it generated for me. All right, you can see it. I'll just go ahead and download it. Now this particular tool generates high quality. When I mean high quality cinematic AI videos. I have downloaded it. You can equally do extension on this platform. You can do extension, using a GROK to do extension. You see here, you can do extension. All right, if I have more things to prompt or voice or dialogue, I can just paste it here and click, and it extends my video to a longer seconds. All right, so we have generated just what
Target building
I
confirmed.
generated. You
Hostages
can see
inside.
the quality
Enough
of
to make this interesting.
video. You can
Let's
see
bring everyone
the
home.
quality. It is top notch. Now this is where what I'm talking about. The site is called TryView3 AI. Okay, now this particular website allows you to generate AI videos. Now you can see try for free. Okay, now you need to sign in. Yeah, right, you need to sign in. You can sign in with your Google. Okay, I have signed in. This is how the interface looks like after signing in. All right, you can just take your time and go through the platform to see what it's like. Then click on try now. It takes you here. Immediately it gets here, you see view 3. Now I will be trying view 3 fast, 3.1 fast to generate with it. Now the good part of this particular website is it has sedans. It allows you to generate AI videos using sedans. But right now let's go with Google Flow View 3.1 fast first. You definitely image to video, you input your image, the same method. Below it you paste your prompt. Okay, so I'll just paste my prompt here with dialogue. All right, and I'll click on generate. Now this particular website, when you log in, it gives you 20 credits, which allows you to generate. Now it is best for GROK. GROK takes only 4 units. Okay, so that means each 20 credits you get, you're able to generate. All right, now they equally have sedans 1, sedans 2, 3.0, Sedans 2.0 fast, and some other AI video generators, all right, on this platform. Now, if you choose to upgrade, okay, this is the list they charge $7.9, okay, and 59.9, So this is the image view 3.1 generated for us. I'll just play it after this. All right. Now, it is not just GROK and View, but just that GROK is the cheapest in this website. Okay. Um, you can generate up to 8 to 6 videos in a day with those credits, okay, with those free credit. All right, so but you can equally upgrade if you choose to. It gives you high quality video. I will be playing it at the end. Okay, now this is what we generated. Now one thing is, you can see try view 3, you can edit that.